So we will learn the name of different languages spoken in different countries. As we all know, many languages names are similar to their country names. We gonna learn only about the names of the languages that are different from the country name. Okay, let's get started here. India continent, India. We have Bharat. Bharote আমরা হিন্দিতে কথা বলি also Calcutta, Bengali and different languages. So their national language is Hindi. Afghanistan, Dari and Pashto. Sri Lanka, Sinhala, Tamil. Myanmar, Burmese. ভুটান দোজংখা, পূর্ব তিমুর, ইস্ট তিমুর, পর্তুগিজ তুতেতুম, মালদ্বীপস দিবেহি, Lebanon Arabic, Singapore Mandarin and English Mandarin Chin. We have Europe continent, Austria, German speaking country, Spain Spanish and Catalan. Okay, moving on to the next. Africa Cameroon speak in English, also French. Senegal French as well. Somalia Arabic. Zimbabwe English. Central African Republic speak in what? French and Sango. Ethiopia Amharic. Guinea-Bissau Portuguese. Libya speak in Arabic. Cape Verde speak in Portuguese. Sierra Leone speak in English, also Bengali. Egypt Misor, but Egypt speak in Arabic. Next, mouse কাজ করছে না, sorry. South Sudan. We have South Sudan speak in English and Arabic. We have Kenya, Swahili and English. Madagascar speak in French. We have North America continent here. Costa Rica speak in Spanish. Okay. Guatemala speak in Spanish too. Dominica speak in English. Antigua Barbuda speak in English. Jamaica English. Okay. Next. Okay. Cuba. Cuba Spanish. Haiti is French. Canada English and French. South America continent. Argentina Spanish. Venezuela Spanish. Colombia Spanish. Brazil Portuguese. All of them are especially Spanish. And okay, Suriname Dutch. Brazil Portuguese, remember. Suriname Dutch. Chile Spanish. Okay, Oceania continent. Australia English. So here New Zealand only speak Maori and rest of them speak in English, also New Zealand. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, Micronesia, Tuvalu, Solomon Island, Fiji, Palau, Marshall Island, Tonga, Papua New Guinea, all speak in English. Antarctica, as we know, there is no sovereign nation, so no speaking language. Okay, these are the languages of different countries. Remember, listen more and more and remember.